Hey guys, if you've searched through internet on how to reset this HP Deskjet 3510 printer, you've come to the right place by clicking this video because I'm going to show you how to do that. It is a bit tricky, but we're going to do it. We're going to be able to reset our printer. So don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and let's get right to it. Okay, so what we'll need to do is when our printer is on, we're just going to go ahead and play with these buttons right here. We have the X button and we have the back button. So you're just going to go ahead and the OK button is right here. In order to reset it and get into that menu, it's a resets menu and it's also like another maintenance menu that you can go through on this printer. And just a heads up, you're going to need to do a few tries sometimes because it is a bit tricky. It's not as easy as those touchscreens that we did resets on before. So go ahead and press OK. Then press X, back, X, 1, 2, 3, and we're there. Let's try that again. I'm going to X out of here. So we're going to press OK, X, back, back, and we're in support menu. So here's a little sheet that I drew. This is what it looks like. We're going to press the OK button, then the X, back button, X, and then back twice. So let's go. It doesn't see, it's not visible where I'm pressing it twice, but the last time I'm pressing, I'll keep this right here when I do it next time. So let's do it again. Let me just zoom into the screen so we have a good view of this here. This paper is not going to be visible anyway. So OK, X, back, X, and twice back button. And there you have it. So when you see the support menu, you're going to go ahead and press OK. You're going to scroll down to a resets menu, and then you can reset country and language, partial reset, semi-full reset. Usually that's the one that people want for thinking that it may clear some errors, and it does. So that's something that you may want to do. And those are the three resets that are available on this printer model. So it's Deskjet 3510 series, 11, 12, 14, 15, I believe. So to go back, you'll just go back, and then here we go. Let's go back. We're just going back, or you can just press X to go to resets menu, and then you can see the configuration menu, like failure status reset, hardware failure status reset, user mode, boot mode, and then we're going to press X to go back. Diagnostic menu, connectivity, reports menu. That's where you want to print a report for like printer status. It'll show you like page count and all that stuff. The self-test report will do the same. All kind of like counter report and stuff like that. Then you're going to go to, let's X out of there, support menu. So what else do we have here? Information menu. You can see the model number, serial number, and then you should actually see your set country and region. Counters will show you how many pages were printed on your printer, which is on this one it's only 31 pages. I'm not sure why it's 41 cycles. Probably because there was pages sent through and they didn't go through, so there was attempted 41 cycles, but it only printed 31 pages. The problem that it had, I actually have a video on that, is it was trying to pick up paper and it didn't because the rollers were dirty, and I show you a video how to clean those rollers, and that's a popular problem on any printer. So I'm going to put the links down below, and we also have a video on how to remove the top of the printer, so that one could be useful sometimes too. So let's try that reset again. I'm gonna have the paper right by me, so I'm gonna go ahead and X out of the this menu here. I'm just gonna press X's to go back. So we're back to home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and press OK, X, back, back, and we're back to support menu. Press OK and just go through all those things. Self-diagnostic menu, information, we went over that. Yeah, so check out this hidden menu. It may help you with keeping track of your printer and making sure it's all in good order and stuff like that. So good luck with this reset, and I would really appreciate it if you could leave your comments and if you were able to attempt and be successful with this reset. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.